Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to your television wirelessly. This process, often called mobile casting, allows you to enjoy your phone's content on a much larger display without any physical cables. To begin, make sure both your mobile device and your television are connected to the same wireless internet network. This is a crucial first step for successful casting, ensuring seamless communication between your devices. Next, you will need to prepare your television to receive the cast. Navigate to your TV's input or source menu using your remote control. Look for an option labeled Screen Mirroring, Cast, or a specific application for casting. Many smart televisions come with a built-in receiver, making this step straightforward. Always ensure your television software is up to date for the best and most reliable casting experience. Now, let's initiate the cast from your mobile device. Open the application or content you wish to display on your television, such as a video streaming service or your photo gallery. Locate the cast icon, which typically looks like a small rectangle with a wireless signal symbol in one corner. Tap this icon, and a list of available devices will appear. Select your television from this list to begin casting. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, troubleshooting is usually simple. First, try restarting both your mobile phone and your television. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches. Second, verify your wireless internet signal strength. A weak signal can disrupt the cast. Finally, ensure your phone and television are within a reasonable range, typically no more than 10 meters apart, for a strong and consistent connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.